So one of us is not nice in their bedroom. Aye. That's the way I look for it so far. Yeah, yes, I can get up now. Not nice, get up, the man is so dramatic, man. Jesus Christ.
Welcome to Bequai.
Yes.
Port Elizabeth.
Port Elizabeth.
And this is the epicenter of all cultural things. Yeah, so around here is basically our main port of transport and entrance. Next side over here, the almond trees.
You know, something I like your style.
Almond trees actually very significant.
What is significant about the almond trees?
The almond trees, this is basically like where anybody, if they want to do a rally, they want to do an event, they want to do whatever, they find themselves there. So when my dad started with NBP, a lot of his
Who's your dad?
Mitchell, James Mitchell.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So when he started off the party, John came to help us. It was down here really where they did a lot of the happenings.
So Gabia, what you say now? Give me the little history. Make we learn.
Yeah, so Ballyso and Bequia.
Uh-huh.
Bequia is the one to the left, which is a bird sanctuary.
Okay.
And that's like rocky, you can't really access it, only certain times a year.
Okay.
And then Ballyso, you can access also Rocky Beach, but it's the ancestral, known place as an ancestral grounds for the Garifuna.
Okay.
Because the Garifuna came from St. Vincent, that's their ancestral homeland.
Okay.
And then they were taken away and first dumped into Ballyso to see who could survive. And then
Survival of the fittest.
Yeah.
I like Hunger Games.
Yeah, basically. And then the strongest of whoever, they took them over. Basically, they wanted to have less cargo, less people.
Wow.
But they wanted them out. St. Vincent is one of the only Caribbean country I know that where the cannons were facing inwards, because the whole idea was that they were fighting the indigenous people.
Oh, wow.
They weren't fighting like the French coming over or the English or the Spanish. It was the actual Vincentian ancestors that they were fighting.
Oh, boy.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks for that bit of history.
Yeah,
and this is Mustique, right?
Yes, that's the island where I grew up.
Okay.
It's a private island.
Mm-hmm.
Part of it is still run and ruled, governed by the rest of the country.
Mm-hmm.
But the other side is run by the Mustique company. She's got shareholders and stuff.
All right, thank you.
You're most welcome.
Watch my friend I read. Joel, how the reading I go? Joel, how the reading I go? You done the book? And him say him no want sleep. Him. Watch ya. Watch ya.
No, sir.
No, what?
You could tell who don't do like this.
Wow.
No.
You made it.
Them steps that I know.
You made it.
That is it. Not nice, what I'm to you.
And he was on the phone too, you know.
Me not tell you, say, a sex alone give me too much work.
Not nice. You make mums come up and now breathe heavy. Look for a little staircase, people. You know, so not nice or wicked. Get up, man.
You know much work that?
Come on. One to you. Right there, you lie down. And now you lean up. I walk one.
I most activities now. Another one me a fuck.
No, hey, I'm done with you now. I can't bother with you, not nice. A good day was had by all. Gabia definitely is a really great host. If you ever visit St. Vincent, be sure to visit the Grenadines. They're beautiful. But look how ski mask come skin out.